Now, SSB interview is one amongst the toughest examination taking place in India. But this is the aspiration of majority of youngsters in India to serve the country after donning the uniform of the armed forces. But the biggest issue before the candidates is how to clear the SSB interview. और जब भी कैंडिडेट तैयारी करने के लिए जाता है किसी मेंटोर या किसी गाइड के पास, तो सभी के पास एक श्योर शॉट वे होता है एसएसबी इंटरव्यू को क्लियर करने का. बट स्टिल मेजॉरिटी ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स गेट रिजेक्टेड इन द एसएसबी इंटरव्यू एंड नो वन नोज दैट व्हाई अ कैंडिडेट हैज बीन रिजेक्टेड और व्हाई ही हैज बीन सेलेक्टेड. तो जल्दी से यहां पर जानते हैं दी डोएन ऑफ एसएसबी मेंटरिंग मेजर सुनील चोपड़ा सर से दैट व्हाई डू स्टूडेंट्स फेल टू क्रैक द एसएसबी इंटरव्यू. सर,
right, see, the issue with children is that they don't prepare themselves. बोलते हैं ना कि जब बारात आती है, what happens is that whenever the NDA, CDS, AFCAT result comes, and I'll find parents walking up to me and saying, "So छोरा ले आए हैं, अब मैं इसको पास करा देना." And I also tell them, "एक बटन है मेरे पास में, मैं बटन दबाऊंगा, कल ये पास हो जाएगा." So it doesn't work that way, right? And the major issue is communication skill. Communication skill is right. See, the issue with children is that they don't prepare themselves. बोलते हैं ना कि जब बारात आ गई तो कान छिदवाओ, उनका वो हाल है. What happens is that whenever the NDA, CDS, AFCAT result comes, and I'll find parents walking up to me and saying, and I also tell them, "एक बटन है मेरे पास में, मैं बटन दबाऊंगा, कल ये पास हो जाएगा." So it doesn't work that way, right? And the major issue is communication skill. Two things. One is the language and the way how do you come across to people, right? Coming across to people is very important. I may have a good language, but I don't know how to come across to people. So I am in a lost domain, right? So now when the candidate fills up the form, either for NDA or CDS, AFCAT, whatever, or even before that, today everybody knows that there is an SSB, and in SSB the preferred language is English. And we are not even saying perfect English, workable English. And even if you don't have that, then are you fit to become an officer? You knew you had to do this and you've not done that. So screening test. Why do we have the screening test? अगर आपने मूर्ति बन के वहां खड़े हो जाना है, आपने कुछ बोलना ही नहीं है, तो 5 दिन आपकी आरती तो नहीं उतारूंगा मैं. Right? So we don't want to do that. So if you can't communicate, come to me when you can communicate. So this is simple. So all this के screening test में बकरे कटते हैं, कोई नहीं कटता. तुम कटना चाहते हो तो कटोगे. All this के screening test में बकरे कटते हैं, कोई नहीं कटता. तुम कटना चाहते हो तो कटोगे. All this के screening test में बकरे कटते हैं, कोई नहीं कटता. And that this scare कि only 30% पास होते हैं. No. Any competition exam that you know which has a 30% success rate?
No, sir.
No. This is the highest possible success rate.
Sir.
And you're being cared by everybody. 30% is large. The point is, look at the 30 you get in and not the 70 you get out. So improve your communication skill. There is nothing known as a button ke koi aayega to it works. So it has to be developed gradually, right? From the time you have filled up your form, why don't you look at it? Why don't you start it? Why do you just keep waiting for किसी SSB institute में जाएंगे और काम हो जाएगा? नहीं होगा, right? So I told you language and the way you get across to people, these are two important factors. That's the one to begin with. So, then is when we are interviewing people or when they come to taking a lecture or GD, sir, I'm very weak in general awareness. Sir, I'm an NDA student or I'm from so and so. अरे भाई UPSC के नोटिफिकेशन में लिखा हुआ है तुमने जनरल अवेयरनेस लेके आने, you're going to become an officer. You're not going for a clerical interview. कि जाऊंगा कुछ शक्ल दिखा दूंगा पास हो जाएगा. You're going to the best of the defense forces in the world. If there are any armies which are respected, it is only the Indian army and the Israeli army. And you know what Israel is doing and what we've done. 13 दिन में बांग्लादेश बना दिया. Right? So the point is, if you are not aware what is happening in the world around you, are you even fit enough to become an officer? Just not. And general awareness, again, it doesn't happen overnight. Keep reading, make it a habit कि थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ो, कभी न्यूज़पेपर की शक्ल देख लो. So build up your awareness levels. That is very important.
Sir, sorry to interrupt you, but sir, is this general awareness only current affairs or anything around the surroundings of the candidate?
Even knowing what's going on in the world around you,
sir.
Right? Defense force के लिए जा रहे हैं और ये पता ही नहीं कि बंदूक किस तरफ से पकड़ी जाती है. They have no idea कि नेवी में ships कैसी होती हैं. They do not know aircrafts कौन से होते हैं. If you want to go and go to the defense forces and you have zero idea about the defense forces, even that's the awareness level, right? Awareness is also knowing people around you. When you know people around you, then you can get across to them. Then only you can do discussion with them, or you can do, associate with people. So awareness is a larger term. Yes, current affairs is a major part of it. Yes. Then they do not know. Now, when they come to us, okay, so you cleared your, graduation so and so year. After that, what you've been doing? Sir, I've been preparing for exams. Which one? Sir, SSC, Delhi Police, और वो कौन से हैं?
सर वो जैसे जनरल टर्म में कहते हैं ना, चेयरमैन से चपरासी तक के
सारे दे दिए. तो for us in the SSB, you look like a job seeker. You have no passion for defense forces. You have got no idea about defense forces. You are blank here. You cannot speak. How do I take you? Do you think we have dearth of young people like you? We don't have dearth, right? We want to pass you, but we are not going to take any riffraff, right? At least look to be not a job seeker. Defense forces is not a job. It's a passion. It's a way of life. So if you don't show that to me, there is no way that we're going to be taking you. Right? So that is another issue which comes up.
सर तो कई बार स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो इतनी पुअर एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी शो करते हैं कि वन मोमेंट ऑफ टाइम दे आर नॉट एट ऑल एम्प्लॉयबल, और प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट वो ये सोच के कर रहे हैं कि फ्रॉम वेरी नेक्स्ट डे दे विल बिकम एन ऑफिसर एंड दे स्टार्ट अर्निंग क्लोज टू 80-90,000 अ मंथ.
You must have seen, बच्चे आते हैं, they come with a 6 months course, सर आएंगे, एब्सेंट हुए, ये जब 3 महीने का आधा कोर्स हो जाता है, सर मैं 3 महीने में पास हो जाऊंगा. No, is that not a normal question that you face? They come to SSB also. हमारे पास जब SSB पढ़ा तभी भी यही होता है. सर वो मैं सर 2 हफ्ते में अंग्रेजी बोलूंगा, सर जनरल अवेयरनेस सर आप मुझे बता दो. So they don't only want coaching, they want कि हम उनको सब कुछ पीस के जूस बना के डाल दें अंदर एंड वो जाके ऑफिसर जाके बन के पास हो जाए. So that's not the way things work, right? And another major thing is that we are not people's people. Right? Defense forces is not के जाके boxing का मैच जीत के आ गए. It is more like a football, right? Where the team has to work. If you are not a team person, if you're not a people's person, then what happens is आप बस me and my screen time उसमें लगे रहते हो, and you have no idea what's going on around you. You do not want to meet people. How can you become an officer? You're going to be commanding not machines, live people. You're going to be telling them कि भाई लड़ाई हो रही है, जान का भी खतरा है, कम कोई कह सकता है ऐसे? I mean, if you're not a people's people, it just doesn't work. So we are looking at it that क्या आप do you have that charisma in you? Do you have that thing in you that you can motivate people? उनको आप motivate कर सकते हो. वो तभी होगा when you interact with people. If you're in a cocoon, it will never work. Then is like you said, procrastination, sir. Wasting of time, right? Keep brooding, keep doing things which are not required. You are in your bed the whole day. You're not reading. Sir. You're not playing sports. You're not interacting with people. No, that in SSB, all our tasks and tests are so designed that we can look so deep into you. It's more like an MRI of your entire personality. Sure. Right? And there is nothing that you can really hide. It's just not possible that you can hide because we have such a plethora of tests. Sure. There are 3 people who are assessing you. Sure. With different techniques, with different kind of tests. You just cannot hide anything. So unless you have that desire in you that I really want to become an officer and I've worked for it. Nothing happens by chance. Stroke of luck, मैं गया हो जाए. And you must have heard people say, मैं तो ऐसे गया पास हो गया. नहीं होता. He's just making a fool of people. Everybody who is an officer today or yesterday has slogged it out at some time or the other, right? And if he is not a person who slogged it out, he will never make it. So that's it. So that's the reason why people don't make it.
और सर जो स्टूडेंट्स कहते हैं कि यार मैंने तो बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया था, एज सेड बाय मेनी कैंडिडेट्स, मैंने तो अच्छा परफॉर्म किया था बट मुझे पता नहीं क्यों रिजेक्ट कर दिया. सर व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस?
उसका भी ना देयर इज अ दिस थिंग. फर्स्टली if I am we वो कहते हैं ना कि feathers of the same flock together वो इकट्ठा हो जाता है. If I am a no-gooder, I'll be with the no-gooder. Sure. Right? If I'm a time waster, I'll be with the good. तो जब मैं assess कर रहा हूँ, मैं किससे कर रहा हूँ? I'm assessing myself with the peer group that I have. Sure. तो मेरा peer group भी ऐसा है, तो अंधों में काना राजा, वहाँ नहीं चलेगा. You really have to be bright. You have to be much better than others. Remember, you are opting for the best of the defense forces. and there मैंने कुछ कर दिया नहीं चलेगा, मैंने उतना किया that assessors really fall in love with you, right? This is the guy that we want. Unless that thing happens, sorry.
And sir, what is suggestion to those students who are looking for shortcuts?
SSB तो पास नहीं होती. There is no band-aid. There is just no band-aid.
क्योंकि सर जब भी स्टूडेंट्स मिलते हैं सर, मतलब बीइंग एन एस्पिरेंट टू अ टीचर सर, इन माय एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ लास्ट 10 years सर, आई हैव सीन कैंडिडेट्स हु वांट शॉर्टकट फॉर एवरीथिंग. कि रिटन निकालने का शॉर्टकट हो, एसएसबी का एक शॉर्टकट.
आई विश देयर वाज वन. बैंडेड मैं दे सकता, मेरे पास नहीं है, और थैंक गॉड नहीं सर, बिकॉज़ ऐसे बैंडेड वाले सोल्जर तो भाई लड़ाई में तो मैं तो नहीं रखना चाहूंगा अपने साथ. नहीं, आई एम अ कमांडिंग ऑफिसर, आई विल नॉट, आई वांट समबडी हु इज अ क्विक फिक्स. क्विक फिक्स वाला मुझे नहीं चाहिए. आई वांट अ रियल सोल्जर जिसमें गम्पशन है, जो कुछ करना चाहता है. दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ टाइप आई वुड लाइक टू हैव इन वॉर. तो मुझे ऐसे तो जोकर चाहिए नहीं. Definitely I will not take that.
So I hope all of you would have understood that what effectively are the reasons why students fail to crack the SSB interview. और इसी के साथ साथ यहाँ पर एक जो सर ने आपको सारी चीजें बताई हैं, उसके बाद मेन इज इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. So if you want to get selected, if you want to improve, then introspection is the key. So start introspection from today itself. And if you have got any doubt, प्लीज डू राइट टू अस. आप इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में हमसे कनेक्ट कीजिए. इसके साथ साथ जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर आपको दिया गया है वहां पर कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड प्लीज डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू शेयर दिस वीडियो अमंग्स्ट योर फ्रेंड्स. आपके भी काफी फ्रेंड्स तैयारी कर रहे होंगे, तो ध्यान रखिए, एक्यूरेट गाइडेंस एंड राइट गाइडेंस इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, सो फील फ्री टू कनेक्ट विद अस एंड विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी